Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bottom-loading water dispensers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4, we have the ECD water pump for 5-gallon bottles. This product is quite different from traditional water dispensers. It's compact, portable, and battery-powered, making it ideal for outdoor use like camping and picnics. The stainless steel spout, food-grade silicone hose, and ABS plastic ensure safe and healthy water dispensing. It boasts fast pumping capabilities, delivering 1 liter of water per minute, and includes a handy auto-stop feature after 1 minute of use. With USB charging, you can fully recharge the device in just a few hours, providing enough power to dispense multiple 5-gallon bottles. The design is minimalist and highly portable, weighing only 8.8 ounces. Its small footprint makes it perfect for cramped spaces or on-the-go hydration needs. However, the installation process requires careful handling to avoid leaks. And the lack of temperature control means it's limited to room temperature water. Performance-wise, the ECD pump excels in convenience, but its single-button operation might feel restrictive for users accustomed to more advanced dispensers. This product is best suited for users looking for a portable, no-frills solution for dispensing water, while it's not as versatile as traditional dispensers. Its lightweight design and rechargeable battery make it a standout for outdoor enthusiasts and minimalists. Just keep in mind that it's not ideal for those who need hot or cold water options. At number 3, we have the Igloo top-loading water cooler. This dispenser is a great choice for households and offices, offering both hot and cold water options. Unlike bottom-loading models, this top-loading design lets you easily monitor water levels. Compatible with 3- and 5-gallon jugs, it's perfect for families or workspaces with high water consumption. The removable drip tray makes cleanup simple, while the child safety lock ensures peace of mind when dispensing hot water. In terms of design, this Igloo model combines black and stainless steel for a sleek, modern aesthetic. It's freestanding and stable, but at 25 pounds, it's heavier than some other models on this list. Performance-wise, it delivers ice-cold water and piping hot water, making it versatile for any season. However, it does lack advanced features like self-cleaning or nightlights. Customer reviews highlight its reliability and ease of use, although some note that the top-loading design can be cumbersome when replacing water jugs. This is a solid, mid-range option for those seeking a balance of affordability and functionality. While it doesn't offer the bells and whistles of premium models, it's dependable and straightforward, making it ideal for families, kitchens, or dorms. At number 2, we have the Brio self-cleaning bottom-loading water cooler in black stainless steel. This dispenser is packed with features, including bottom-loading design for easy bottle replacement, self-cleaning technology using UV light, and 3 temperature settings: hot, cold, and room temperature. The nightlight feature is particularly useful, allowing you to dispense water safely in dim lighting. It also includes a child safety lock on the hot water spout, ensuring safe use for families. The design is sleek and modern, with black stainless steel adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen or office. At 41.4 pounds, it's heavier than most models, but the bottom-loading design compensates by eliminating the need to lift heavy bottles. Performance-wise, it excels in both functionality and convenience, making it a favorite among users who value ease of maintenance. The self-cleaning feature is a standout, reducing the need for manual cleaning and ensuring a hygienic drinking experience. This Brio model is ideal for users seeking advanced features and a stylish design. While the price is higher than budget models, its robust performance and user-friendly features make it worth the investment. If you're looking for a modern, feature-packed water dispenser, this one's hard to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the Brio self-cleaning bottom-loading water cooler limited edition. This dispenser offers everything you could want in a bottom-loading model, including self-cleaning UV technology, 3 temperature settings, and a sleek stainless steel design. The bottom-loading cabinet makes bottle replacement a breeze, while the nightlight and child safety lock add extra layers of convenience and security. Whether you need ice-cold water for a hot day or piping hot water for coffee, this dispenser delivers consistent performance. The build quality is top-notch, with durable stainless steel ensuring longevity. At 39 pounds, it's slightly lighter than the black stainless steel variant, making it easier to move if needed. The nightlight is particularly helpful for nighttime use, and the removable drip tray makes cleaning effortless. Performance-wise, this dispenser is a standout, offering reliable water dispensing and easy maintenance thanks to its self-cleaning feature. Customer reviews highlight its versatility and premium design, making it a favorite among users. This Brio limited edition model combines style, performance, and advanced features, earning its place as the best bottom-loading water dispenser on the market. If you're looking for a high-quality, hassle-free dispenser that's built to last, this is the one for you. It's perfect for families, offices, and anyone who values convenience and modern design. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.